Welcome to Beautyistic, where we focus on everything that makes us feel confident and beautiful. Today, we're shifting gears a little bit and looking at something for those of you who like to keep your grooming game sharp. Let's talk about the Panasonic shaver replacement, outer foil, and inner blade set, WES9032P, designed specifically for the Panasonic ARC5 5-blade shavers. If you're someone who's all about precision and comfort when shaving, this replacement set could be exactly what you're looking for. For those of you who might not be familiar, this replacement set is compatible with several Panasonic ARC5 models, like the ESLV97K, ESLV67K, ESLV95S, and ESLV65S. Over time, the foils and blades on any shaver will naturally wear down, leading to a less than ideal shave. The WES9032P set is designed to restore that optimal performance and ensure you're getting the smooth, clean shave you expect. Now let's talk about what makes this set stand out. The outer foil system features micro-thin foils that are arched and crafted from hypoallergenic stainless steel, helping to reduce skin irritation and make shaving more comfortable. These foils work in tandem with the inner blades to glide smoothly over your skin while cutting through hair with ease. The foils aren't just about comfort though. They're built to maximize efficiency, meaning you won't have to go over the same spot multiple times, which reduces irritation. As for the inner blades, these are forged from premium Japanese stainless steel, known for their precision and sharpness. Each blade has a 30-degree cutting edge that ensures a clean cut at the base of each hair, which is crucial for that super close shave. The durability of the blades is impressive. They're designed to last, but eventually, like all razor blades, they do need replacing to maintain that high standard of performance. The installation of these blades and foils is a breeze. No need for complicated steps or tools. Simply remove the worn-out blades and snap in the new ones. It's as quick and easy as it sounds. In terms of real-world usage, I've found that replacing the blades and foils every year or so ensures that the shaver maintains its top performance. When the blades dull or the foils wear thin, you start to notice tugging, skin irritation, or less effective shaving, none of which are ideal. This replacement set not only restores that high-end shave, but also helps your shaver work at its peak for a longer time. Now, let's break it down into some quick pros and cons. Pros: high-quality materials. Premium Japanese stainless steel and hypoallergenic foils are a real game changer for comfort and precision. Easy to install. The snap-on feature makes it incredibly user-friendly. Improved performance. Restoring your shaver's original functionality means a more comfortable, efficient shave every time. Cons: cost. While the performance is top-notch, the replacement set can be on the pricey side. Compatibility. This set is only compatible with specific Panasonic ARC5 models. If you own a different shaver, you'll need to check compatibility before purchasing. Now, what about value for money? The Panasonic shaver replacement set is a bit of an investment, but when you consider the high-quality stainless steel construction and the comfort it brings, the price is justified. If you rely on your shaver to keep you looking sharp, this replacement set can be considered a smart investment. It saves you the hassle of buying a whole new shaver just because the blades and foils need replacing, and it extends the lifespan of your existing shaver. Comparing this to other replacement sets, it's on the higher end, but again, the precision and comfort are standout features. Some other generic replacement foils and blades may not offer the same level of quality or performance. So if you're already invested in the Panasonic ARC5 system, sticking to these original replacements is probably worth it. In terms of build quality, this set is designed to last. The materials used, Japanese stainless steel and hypoallergenic foils, suggest that the blades will hold up well over time. However, remember, just like any razor blade, it'll eventually need replacing. But the longevity of this set is impressive and ensures your shaver will keep running smoothly year after year. If you've had experience with Panasonic's customer service, you'll know they're responsive and helpful, which is always reassuring when dealing with a product that requires regular maintenance. They take care of any concerns you may have and make sure you get the most out of your shaver. Looking for alternatives? You could go for generic replacement foils and blades, but they might not offer the same level of quality. The Panasonic replacement set stands out for its precision and comfort, which is especially important for those who take grooming seriously. If you're looking for something more affordable, there are certainly budget-friendly options, but just be cautious about sacrificing performance for price. In conclusion, the Panasonic shaver replacement outer foil and inner blade set WES9032P is an excellent choice for those with the Panasonic ARC5 models who want to maintain a smooth, comfortable shave. The high-quality materials, easy installation, and improved performance make it a solid investment, especially for those who use their shavers daily. The only downside is the price, but it's justified considering the quality you're getting. If you're someone who values precision and a close shave, this replacement set will absolutely deliver. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.